Okay, so we're looking at binomial probability distributions again, and just this will be a very short video. It's a very simple concept. We're looking at measures of centre and spread. So basically looking at measures of centre. We talked about, for discrete probabilities, we talked about mean, median, mode. For binomial, we only really talk about the mean, the expected value, and that's pretty simple. Look at our previous example. A coin is cost 3 times. How many tails would we expect to happen? So if you think about it, well, 3 times, you kind of expect between 1 and 2 tails, yeah? 1.5 tails. So if you toss the coin 4 times, you expect 2 tails. So our expected value, we're looking at 1.5, yeah? And the way we do that, the formula is just right here. No, it's not right there. Yes, it is right here. N times P. N is the number of trials. So for this example, we've tossed the coin 3 times. What's the probability of getting a tail? It's a half. So 3 over 2 means we expect 1.5 tails if we toss the coin 3 times. Pretty simple, very simple. The other way that we might talk about expected value would be the mean as well. So the mean, and we talked about this symbol being mu, a Greek letter mu, also representing the mean. Okay, so this expected value, that's the measure of centre. Over here we've got the measure of spread, or variability we could call it as well. Variance, this mostly means what sort of variance or what sort of other outcomes could we get, how spread out our results when we do this trial. So the equation for variance is equal to NP1 minus P. So for this example, we've got three trials. The probability of success is a half. 1 minus, what's the probability of failure? 1 minus a half, yeah, probability of the head. So we've got 3 times a half equals 3 over 4. That's the variance. The variance is 3 over 4, so basically saying we move 3 over 4 either side 1.5. That's the variance. The standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. Square root of variance. So, that'll just equal the square root of 3 over 4. And if you want, you can simplify that. Square root 3 on 2. And the standard deviation is written with this symbol as well. That's sigma. You've got capital sigma, like that squiggly line. That's capital sigma, and this is like a little sigma. Okay, another Greek letter. Standard deviation is equal to square root 3 on 2. So that's it for binomial distributions.